Sauteed mushroom, kale with avocado and tomato on sourdough. Prepare the ingredients. Slice 8 pieces of sourdough, slice 8 mushrooms, shred 2 handfuls of kale, thinly slice 1 tomato, cut a lemon in half, cut an avocado in half, remove the seed, place the sourdough in the toaster, heat a pan on a high heat and add the mushrooms. Saute for a couple of minutes. Add the chopped kale and saute with the mushrooms. Add a splash of water and saute until the kale is soft. Add a pinch of salt, remove from the heat. To assemble, scoop out a quarter of an avocado and mash onto the sourdough. Place 2 slices of tomato onto the avocado and top with the mushrooms and kale. Sprinkle with some rock salt, squeeze over a little lemon and serve.